What's going on, YouTube? It's your big homie Leonard coming back again with another video, man. And today we finna take a look at the Air Jordan 3 Wizards. Now, if this is your first time to the channel, man, let me know by smashing that like button for your boy. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you want any tips, advice, or reviews on anything sneaker streetwear related and all men essentials. The Air Jordan 3 Wizards, which is now renamed on the sneaker app as White and True Blue, is set to release April the 29th for a retail price of $210. Now, before we dive deep into the shoe, man, I would say I will advise y'all to pay attention to this video, man, because there is some issues I want to point out about this shoe. So like I just said, man, this sneaker is already loaded up on the sneaker app, man, as well as most of the foot sites. It does have raffle entries for most of the boutiques online, man. So if you want this sneaker, man, make sure you put your footwork in, because if you don't, you will be taking an L on these. Looking on the aftermarket, man, most of the sizes going for around $250. So if you're a consumer, the payout will be around $300, man. For all the resellers, me personally, I wouldn't invest too heavy on these, man. Go ahead, get your size that you can, make the quick flip and go ahead, go on to the next shoe, man. The market for most of the shoes that have been releasing lately really haven't been looking too good. So, you know, anything that's coming out lately, man, I would just go ahead, get your sizes, get rid of them, on to the next shoe, man. Now, this shoe do not come in your standard Jordan 3 box, man. It does come in this box. It's like a blue version of the Cardinal 3, and the colorway reads white and metallic copper. Looking at this sneaker, man, it does come in an all white tumble leather with hits of cement on the toe, heel tab, and surrounding the laces, man. Excuse me. It does come with your true blue, in my opinion, but they say metal copper around the laces, midsole, and in a sock locker, man. And it got that curry jumpman sitting on the tongue and on the lace holes, man. And it does come with your standard jumpman on the back of the heel. Now, in my opinion, man, this is nothing more than the blue version of the Cardinal 3, man. And it also does come with your satin sock liner, man, to give you that premium feel. This is not a premium shoe, but it is a nice touch when it comes to this sneaker, man. Now, let's go ahead and talk about the issues with this sneaker, man. If you are familiar with the cement 3s, you would know that the cement print was horrible, man. It was very inconsistent. Some pairs look better than others. You know, you got thin cements on some pairs, thick cement on other pairs. Some of the pairs didn't even match up. You feel me? And it will have the same issue with this sneaker, man. I don't know what's going on with the quality control on the Jordan 3s right now, man, but it's like they just have a whole bunch of recycled prints, man, just throwing them on the shoe and keep it going, man. I don't know, but be mindful of that, man, that the cements does not match. If you can see in the camera, I will have it on some B-roll, man. The cement prints do not match on each pair, man. It's very inconsistent. I probably would be sleeping on this pair, man. It took me a very long time to actually find a pair of cement 3s with the consistent elephant print, man, closer to the OGs. I don't feel like it's necessary for me to do the same thing with this shoe, man, because this shoe really ain't all that, man. It's like a bootleg True Blue 3 to me. You feel me? So I wouldn't be doing it. If you don't care about the inconsistencies of this sneaker, man, when it comes to the cement print, this is a clean colorway. Me personally, I will pass on it, but it is a clean colorway for the summertime, man. So if you like that and you don't care about the cement print going all over the place, man, this will be a good cop for you. So that wraps up my video for today, man. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you smash the like button for your boy. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel as well, man. Also, follow me at bighomie.lnrd on Instagram, man. And until next time, I'm out.